So if you're watching this, chances are you like Trolling Pilots, and you've probably like seen like Stressed Out, or like Nico the Niners music video, talk on the music videos, or Where They Were Imagined, because they're doing that too. And like you see them do the handshake, and you're like, whoa, wait, that's so freaking awesome, and I have to learn it. But there's only like one tutorial. What will I ever do? Cause so we're gonna teach you, and you don't even need to thank us. I know we're so awesome, but alright. Okay, so first up we gotta then that and we'll just start with this actually. So you get that? Okay, so let's do it again. And then after you do that, you do it twice. So well once you come back together, you're gonna do it again. You get that? So you go like that twice, right? And then you gotta do like a thumbs up, but you want your thumb to like sort of be angled downward, so you can touch thumbs, and we do it twice.
Yeah.
So then, alright. And then you can like interlock thumbs, and then you interlock
closer.
And then you do, yeah. Let's do this closer. All right.
Does that make any sense? So
You
just
get
like,
that?
Just
So-
do the. Yeah. Maybe
So like,
that.
okay.
Yeah.
Like he's kind of
If that
like
makes
it's
sense.
pretty easy. Like you're like once you get come back. So and then you just kind of keep your thumbs like attached, and then you just wrap your hand around the other one. If you have any friends. All right, so all together. One. And then you want to like place your hand over both of your hands. Middle, top, bottom, middle. So then the whole thing together is. Okay, so y'all.
So you're here again after doing the
Yeah.
taps, and then you kind of slide your hands together and grab pinkies.
Yeah.
This part, you slide hands. Okay, so
And then-
pinkies.
The pinkies, they go up, down, up, down. You want to do it twice. Two times. Dose. And then up, down, and then together, and then you clap twice. 1, 2, and then you slap the other person's arm, and you slap your own arm, and then you want to clasp together again. And then you want to put your hand on the other person's
over
shoulder, and then bring them in for a sweet old hug.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, and then you want to snap at the end. I can't
Snap
freaking
if you
snap
can.
very well. Okay, so all together really slow. Let me know if y'all want us to do this again. Like,
Yeah, we can try and
later.
explain better.
Yeah. If you need like specific things, we can probably break them down. All right. I don't know why it took me so long to get there, but. I don't know why I didn't supply up, but whatever. Alright, we're gonna try a little faster this time, alright? Start again.
Not again.
Oh my god. I used to always forget the snap, and then I got better at it, and I guess I'm falling back into old habits.
By the way, it took us like literally all night to learn how to do this.
Yeah.
So just like keep
So just
practicing.
take your time, man. Okay,
Now you hopefully kind of sort
Yeah.
of know how to do the
okay,
handshake.
wait, let's like break down like the steps like really fast.
Just the front
We're gonna
of your
call
hand.
this
A
George.
George.
We're gonna call
No.
this Jimothy. So
Nobody's gonna remember that. You
they're gonna remember that.
No.
Okay, so George, Timothy. George, Timothy. Timothy's dead, that's why he's a skeleton.
Oh.
Okay,
George, Timothy, George. Fist bump.
fist bump, thumb, hand
Leg
clasp,
grab.
clap,
Middle.
middle, top, bottom, middle.
Slide to pinkies.
Pinkies,
Up, down,
up, down, up, down. Slap twice, slap other arm,
Your arm
slap
is on
your
the right.
arm. And then, yeah.
Good job.
Hey, let's do it fast this time. Okay, you get the point. Okay, you get what you're supposed to do.
You're good.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Alright, guys. Handshake. What the hell up? Alright, guys. I don't know what to say. Hold on. Have you ever known trio pilots and I'm a freaking idiot. So anyways, I completely forgot about this part, by the way. I forgot you're supposed to like touch thumbs. I thought you're just supposed to like, I don't know.
So that's why we screwed up so many times.
Yeah, probably. So come back here. All right. So George, Timothy. Dude, you knocked over my skateboard.